Hey y'all, welcome to the video. My name's Rachel. I'm going to try to make a video every day. Isn't that so awesome? Yay! I don't know how I'm going to do it because I work at Walmart. And tonight I got off of work at about 8:40. And now I got to come back into work at 8:30 in the morning. Isn't that just great? It's so great. But now I'm going to show you some comics that my boyfriend has on the refrigerator because, hey, at least it's something, right? Trust me, I'm going to try to get funnier and get better and blah, 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 and all that stuff. But right now, I have to hurry up. So here we go. Hopefully I pronounce it right. Non Sequitur by Wiley. Oh, please, spare me the weirdo theories, Jeffrey. But you've got to admit, it would explain a lot. Let's run it past Lars to see what he thinks about it. Sigh. Whatever. Hey, Lars. What's up, Dan? Oh, Jeffrey has this theory. Well, it's not my theory. Whatever. Anyway, it says humans didn't evolve, that we could be the result of DNA engineering by advanced aliens. Adam and Eve might be the story of the first prototypes. That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard, and you should never repeat it. See? Okay, let's consider the source here. Non Sequitur by Wiley Miller. I'm ready for the revelation of life's great truth. Ignorance is bliss, so are you sure? Yes, okay. Everything we think is of utmost importance in our youth becomes insignificant as we grow older. And everything we thought was insignificant and tossed aside when we were young, losing it forever, was really the most important. So you're saying that life is just an endless string of disillusions? Pretty much. Great. Now how am I supposed to go on with the rest of my life knowing that? I found moving into a cave helps. Job creator isn't what the neighbors are calling you. Now accepting bids for mowing opportunity. This way to access the power of knowledge. Almost there. You made it. The power of knowledge is at hand. Public library. I'm looking for an employee who is creative. That's me. I have ADHD and dyslexia. I'm also bipolar and schizophrenic. Checking the internet. Well, that's surprising. Each of his conditions is highly correlated with creativity. Are you a normal? I think so. Wow, I feel sorry for you. It must be oopsies. It must be hard going through life without any creativity. What's happening here? It might be some sort of creative thing. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you soon. Please subscribe to my channel and give my video a like. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. I need to get a Reddit. Yeah. One day, in due time, I'll get a Reddit. And maybe that Wix website too, right? Because it's free. Like, I need to get on that like right now, but I gotta go to bed. Of course. So I can go work at Walmart. Isn't that great? Somebody please help me. Help me, somebody, help me. Well, I gotta go to bed so I can try to survive. Isn't that great? Surviving is so much fun. Oh my gosh, it's great. Whatever.